Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the question. Will these old office apps work in the 2018 version? Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First I need to check the version. Word, Excel and PowerPoint has version 16.1.0.1. While OneNote has version 15.0.0.3. These are called outdated versions of the app. When you try to open Word, Excel or PowerPoint, it will give two options, Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. If we click on Galaxy Store, it said that the app is only available in the Google Play Store and it cannot be updated. That says this app is no longer compatible with your device, which means you need to install the app directly. Let's go to Galaxy Store. We are in Galaxy Store. Click on updates. And there are my Word, Excel and PowerPoint updates. The OneNote update isn't available. Both say thank you for using Word, Excel and PowerPoint. If we click on that, the latest was Word, Excel and PowerPoint was updated on 6 June 2022. It's the latest version, sorry. While OneNote latest version was on 19th August 2021. Which means that older versions will no longer work. Please update them to the latest versions to be able to use them properly. Please know that Microsoft Office is now Microsoft 365. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.